So you ever wonder what happens if you deep fry a fidget spinner? Well, you're gonna find out in a second. Hey, this is Uncle Jay. This time, I'm gonna see if a fidget spinner fries. So let's find out. Hey, everyone's favorite part. Let's put it in the oil. Let's turn up the heat. Turn up the heat a little. Needs a little more power.
Baking, why is this stuff on here?
Okay, well it looks like we're done. It's kind of stuck on the fry. Okay, there we go. Alright, let's look at this thing. What do we got? Okay, it looks like, yeah, it's fried. Definitely not edible. I wouldn't recommend eating this thing. It's still kind of hot. Don't touch it. Alright, let's try this. Let's see if it spins. Okay, it still spins, surprisingly. It's crazy looking. Let's find out. Okay, I'm gonna remove this batter. I'm gonna find out if the thing still works. Let's find out.